Hey guys, here I have 1.5 carrots cut up long ways here, and then one onion sliced long way. Usually you want to slice it's sliced whole in circles, like maybe if you wanted to do onion rings, but here I want to put this on some taco as well, so I want to do that. So I have there one large onion, and then here I have 1.5 carrots, and here I have Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just going to use one. I'm going to keep the seeds in it because as this pickles, I want the heat to hit it so that when I bite into these, I can taste the heat of it. Alright guys, and as I have here, I also have some pimento seeds and some thyme inside. Now this is my mason jar. I had pickled some before and it's all done. So I just left the pimento seeds in there. And what I'm going to do right now, I am going to fill this in, put this in here, and then we're going to fill it up with some vinegar. And the vinegar is going to pickle it. Once you put everything in, I did go ahead and add some fresh thyme to it. So I added some more thyme. And if you can look really closely, you might see the Scotch bonnet pepper in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put some white vinegar in here. I'm going to fill this all the way up. So you stuff it first and then fill this all the way up. There we go. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and cover this up, and then we're gonna do a little shake. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. All right, let's see here. Work with it. Come on. All right, let me put this down and I'll get right back. Here we go, guys. It's all filled, covered up nice and tight. Again, mason jar. You want to go with a glass jar. So whatever glass jar you end up having, mason jars are great for this. So here we have it. You see the pimento, the carrots, and the onion. It just kind of filled this, and the pimento, the Scotch bonnet, you see it right there, and there's a little bit more up top. And then all we did was give it a nice shake, so we can get the fresh thyme to be well incorporated and kind of move down the Scotch bonnet pepper to the bottom a little bit. See, it's moving a little bit down. All right, guys, if you ever wanted to know how you get that really nice pickled peppered onion and carrots that you get at the Jamaican restaurants with the fried fish and the fried soft fish and all of that, and you eat it with the dumpling and bread and all of that, this is how you do it. Now, this is a way to do it so you have something on smash all the time. However, if you're in a rush and you needed to pickle this very quickly, you can put all the ingredients in a pot. Put the vinegar, you cut up all the ingredients here and you put this in a pot of boiling vinegar. So if you put vinegar on the pot and boil it and put all of this in here, you can pickle it very quickly if you need it right there and then, if you didn't have this right here. But I mean, this is something you can pull out. To be honest, I don't only like this with fried fish or with soft fish or fried soft fish, which is usually what it's served with at the Jamaican restaurant. This is really good with tacos, any kind of fish taco, any kind of taco. You get that nice heat and you have that pickled crunch, because again, these are not cooked. These are raw onions and raw carrots. So you get that nice crunch that you get, and it's pickled. You get the thyme flavor, you get the pimento flavor saturated in there, and then again you get that heat, that kick of the Scotch bonnet pepper. So really good. Today I'm going to be making some fish tacos. Well, not fish taco, but I'm going to make a fish taco bowl. And I wanted to do this in here, want to get all pickled. So this is a really quick video just showing you how to get that, you know, pickled onions and carrots that you usually want and request during the when you order at the Jamaican restaurant. For more videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you later. Bye.